Who are you? Man who's carrying many swords. They clank around as he moves. One day I'll make the finest zombie slicing sword I've ever seen. That's such a cool it. Okay, let's pick who we will rob. Oh. I see. You know, tails are the coolest. We can recruit the witch. What? Dog. Oh, the dog sells ammo? Fauna uses dog psychology in order to get a heap of free ammo from the dog. Wait, that's so much? It's great that this works on talking dogs. I just go, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. That's right, you're a good boy. Who's a good boy? I can't believe it worked. Let's go. Do you think we can rob everybody?